March 28, 2016, President Xi Jinping visits the Republic of Czech and invites Mr. Zhong Hongbang, chairman of Jiangxong Pharmaceutical Group. In his speech, Chinese medicine, high-speed rail, nuclear technology, etc. are listed as China's international competitiveness of the top 10 industries. October 2015, Tu Youyou won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for discovering artemisinin. She is the first Chinese medicine expert to win the Nobel Prize in Science in China. We are convinced that the spring of Chinese medicine industry has reached. In 2016, the impact of Taiji development of the four major problems have been satisfactorily resolved. Taiji Group is moving towards rapid development. In 2016, we plan to increase industrial output. Sales of double billion. First, the Taiji Group has been completed the Taiji Industrial, Southwest Pharmaceutical, Tongzheng 3 listed companies integrated into one on the 1st of March, 2016. Second, the Taiji Group's 5 insurance gold reduced by 10 million in 2015, deeply felt that the government paid a great efforts to help enterprises reduce the cost. We also put innovation and cost tackling as a huge driving force for rapid development of enterprises. Third, the Chongqing Municipal Science and Technology Commission to actively promote the Chongqing Institute of Chinese Medicine to strengthen cooperation with the Taiji Group, Fulan District and the Municipal Science and Technology Commission on the development of Chongqing Institute of Chinese Medicine vitality and the problem was discussed usefully. Fourth, with the support and impetus of the government, the enthusiasm of Chongqing's major medical institutions to sell Chongqing products has been significantly enhanced, raising the share of local enterprises in the local market. But the national pharmaceutical market separatist status has not yet improved. Fifth, Taiji Group 3 listed companies tripled to solve the 10 years cannot be directly financing the embarrassing situation as there is no additional legal barriers to new shares. 22nd of April 2016, Taiji Group and Southwest Securities signed a private placement of Taiji shares of 100 million new shares of the agreement to raise funds of 2 billion yuan. Mainly used. Construction of Fulan District Lidu, Taiji Medical City. Here will be built Taiji Huoxian Zhangkai for Xi'an, South Asia, the Middle East, South America, and Southwest Pharmaceutical. For the United States and the European market production base, while planning to invest 500 million yuan to build Taiji Pharmaceutical Research Institute for the enterprise as the main innovation institutions for technical support. For overseas market, highlight the core competitiveness of Chinese medicine leading domestic science and technology innovation center. Technical support have 15 units. Taiji Group in year 1998 to set up 15 postdoctoral workstation and in year 2016 approved the establishment of the academician workstation, composed of units or as follows: Chinese Academy of Sciences, Shanghai Institute of Medicine, Academy of Military Medical Sciences, China Pharmaceutical University, Shenyang Pharmaceutical University, Peking University, Peking Union Medical College, Huaxi Medical University, Fudan University, China Academy of Traditional Chinese Medicine, Chengdu University of Traditional Chinese Medicine, Guangzhou University of Traditional Chinese Medicine, Beijing University of Traditional Chinese Medicine, 3rd Military Medical University, Chongqing Medical University, and Yangshanglai, Zhongbuli, Shenzhen, Wangyongyan, Vandaming, Haozishan, Huang Lukai, Li Song and so on. More than 20 academicians, and Liu Rubin, Yan Dexon and so on. More than 10 Chinese medicine practitioners to build academicians workstation. Postdoctoral workstations have trained more than 30 postdoctoral, mainly through them and Taiji in the study of more than 100 projects closely together to create a large number of well-known drugs, such as Huoxiang Zhangkai I, Shizatangjian, Tailao and so on. This year will create tens of billions of sales. Military Medical Sciences, China University of Chinese Medicine, Shanghai Institute of the Chinese Medicine, Chengdu University of Traditional Chinese Medicine, have transferred their best products to Taiji Group. Military Academy of Sciences Evaluation. Taiji Group is the only partner and their partners that both integrity and strength. In 2003, SARS epidemic period, Dean Zhou Dashan transferred life-saving medicine W interferon to the Taiji Group. Taiji Group Research Institute mainly set up the following 4 centers. 1. New Drug Screening and Clinical Evaluation Center, to build together with Chengde University of Traditional Chinese Medicine. 2. Standard Chinese Medicine Plant and Animal Research Center, to build together with Chongqing Institute of Traditional Chinese Medicine. 3. Chinese Medicine Pharmaceutical Engineering Center, to build together with Zhejiang University. 4. Large Health Market Big Data Research Center, to build together with Shenyang Pharmaceutical University. Among them, proprietary Chinese Medicine Pharmaceutical Engineering Center and Big Health Market Big Data Research Center was built in Lidu Taiji Medicine City, including 10,000 square meters of test workshop, 10,000 square meters of academicians workstations, 10,000 square meters of basic research, 5,000 square meters of large health market data research center. The main reason for the project and cooperative institutions for technical cooperation. They provide scientists, we provide first-class equipment and funds, new drug screening and clinical evaluation center and standard Chinese medicine planting and animal research center. Set up in Chengde University of Traditional Chinese Medicine and Chongqing Institute of Chinese Medicine, to facilitate the full use of the 2 institutions of human resources and rich basic research conditions. The following is 2 minutes of video information. 1. The birth note of Chinese-based medicine Huoxiang's Kai on 18th of March 2016. Taiji Group took the lead in the full development of the Huoxiang's Kai Eyes. 3 years of the provincial distribution rights of the auction. The total bid up to 205.6 million yuan, of which the Guangdong market distribution rights bid price of 70 million yuan, to become the myth China's pharmaceutical industry, with real goal to announce the birth of the Chinese-based medicine.
3年的货箱正极液的总经销权500万，56号报价6000万元，先生的6000万，最后一次6500万，6800万元，在落锤之前6900万，7000万举到了7000万，是您的先生。
All national dealers have high confidence. The single-year annual sales of Taiji Huoxiang's and Kai Eyes will increase to 2 billion yuan in 3 years' time, and estimate in 5 years' time to reach 3 billion yuan for each year. In 2016 it will be exceed to 10 billion yuan. 2. Huoxiang's and Kai Eye in ASEAN, India, South America, the Middle East, Africa and other potential may reserves of tens of billions of dollars of the market potential. Because these places are hot every day, every place has wet disease, high incidence of skin diseases. However, this happens to be the strength of Huoxiang's and Kai Eye. In Thailand, Taiji Group sales staff was promoting Huoxiang's and Kai Eye to the public.
Strong and health. Yes.
Scientific research shows that Huoxiang's and Kai Eye is the first choice for the treatment of heat and dampness disease. It's anti-allergy more than isoniazid. In the first quarter of 2016, Taiji industrial sales exceeded $2.2 billion, an increase of 21%. We all the staff in the strong support of the Chongqing government, must be an early realization of the huge goal of hundreds of millions of Taiji.